What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to convert MOV to MP4. This is an easy and quick tutorial, so in order to do this, you're going to go over to this website, cloudconvert.com. Now once you're here on cloudconvert.com, you're going to click on select a file or click on this drop down to select from a certain location. So you're going to click on from my computer. So right here, you can see that we've selected a video and you can see that it's .mov. We want to convert it to MP4. So you can see convert to, click on this drop down and select MP4. Do take note that it's currently a video, so you might want to make sure that it's under video in order to see the MP4 option. So click on MP4. Of course, if you'd like to make some more settings, you can click on the settings icon right there. You could change the video codec, but these are default options, so we're going to leave it as is and then click convert. As you can see, it's currently processing. And now that it's finished, you can click on download to have your video. Of course, before downloading it, if you'd like to have a preview, you can click on the drop down and click preview in order to see a preview of what's been done. Once you verify that it's okay, you can go ahead and click on download. And this is how to successfully convert from MOV to MP4.